fresh yeast, remember, versus dry yeast. From Maestro Vittorio Copelli, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much, first of all, to take your time and watching my video. Today I'm going to show you something very special. I see that on my previous video that you guys really like my versus the 72 hours, the 8 hours and the 7 days. So thank you so much for that, watching the video. And today I'm going to show you something very special, and I know that this one will be really helpful for you. Today I'm going to show you the differences, the dough made with the dry yeast versus the dough made with fresh yeast. Let's go see the differences. I'm gonna make exactly the same recipe. Actually, today I'm going to make the recipe. I'm going to make the pizza in the same exactly way. And at the end of this video, we're gonna see the differences. Which one is, how they come out, what's the little different, if it's different. I've never done this video like this, so please guys, if you want to support my channel, leave a little thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for my Italian friends. Amici in Italia, oggi questo video è per dimostrarvi le due differenze tra un impasto con lievito secco e un impasto con il lievito di birra. Andiamo a vedere qual è la differenza e vediamo se c'è una differenza. Spero che vi piaccia questo video, lasciate un like alla fine del video e iscrivetevi. Grazie e godetevi questo video. First thing to do is we have to prepare the yeast. So basically I'm going to explain this one a little bit fast because this is really important. Amici, questo è molto importante. Andiamo a preparare il nostro lievito il giorno prima. So guys, we have to prepare the yeast the day before. At night, before going to sleep, you prepare the yeast. Andiamo a vedere come si fa. Let's go see how to make it. So, let's add 50 grams of room temperature water. Second ingredients are 1 grams of fresh yeast or dry yeast. We mix it a little bit. We melted the yeast with the water. At this point we add 50 grams of 00 flour, just like that. So you want 50 grams of water, 50 grams of flour with 1 grams of yeast. There you go. And we mix a little bit. Now we put a little plastic wrap on top, just like that. And we're gonna pop it a little bit, couple of holes. We are ready to put this one in the fridge overnight. And our dry yeast, like you can see, is ready. But the difference already I can see is this one with dry yeast is double faster than the other one. Let's put it in the water. I'm gonna put it in the water just like that. Make sure, same thing. And the color is different too, and the smell. This technique is called polish. Then, like you can see, it's nice. It became the color of the milk. At this point, for this recipe, we are going to use 600 grams of flour. So the first part, we're gonna add only 300 grams. Here we go. Now we mix it again. We mix the flour with just like that. We are going to use 15 grams of sea salt. We're gonna turn it on for about a couple of minutes, just to incorporate the sea salt cleaned our dough. Okay, now we are ready to add the other 300 grams. So now we need to mix it for about 15-20 minutes. Okay guys, now we are done. We're gonna put it down. There we go. We're gonna do the same procedure of the other one. Same exactly things that we did with, this is how we find it. Same hydration, same amount of flour, same amount of yeast, same amount of everything. Gonna use for the house, so we want the dough a little bit soft. So this movement will help to make strong the gluten. So we have to do it just like this. You grab it and then you put it down. So we have to form a ball. The goal is to make the dough nice and smooth, just like that. Now we form, close it, just like that. We form a nice big ball. Pam! So now you're gonna let it rest for about 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is done. Like you can see, the dough is nice and proof. You can feel the air. A little bit of flour on top. We're gonna cut it and create the balls. Nice. This one is the one fresh yeast. Gonna make some balls. Boom. Balls are around 280 grams. Shave 4 balls. I'm gonna close it really good. Okay, so now we have the dough, the fresh yeast one. Then we're gonna put the dough balls in the container and we're gonna let it rest for about 6 hours. And here we go with the one with the dry yeast. After 1 hour, you can tell it's a little bit more wet. We're gonna put a little bit of flour, pom pom pom, and we're gonna cut it. We have 2 different ways to make the balls. We can do like this, just across, then we can close it. Boom, boom, boom. But this one with the dry yeast, we're gonna let it rest for about 6 hours the same, but we have to pay attention because the dry yeast usually it grows faster than fresh yeast. Let's wait. Okay guys, the dough is ready. I wait for about 6 hours. This is dry yeast and this is fresh yeast. I put a little thing here to remember that this one was a dry yeast. Just like that, and this is a fresh yeast. Okay, now we're gonna make it together and see the differences. So we're gonna remember, like always, let's go see and let's make these pizzas. First one to make, we're gonna get the dry yeast. We can see the dry yeast, of course, is a little bit stronger. You can tell this one is faster because we made it 1 hour after the dough balls, and actually even the dough, and then the dough grow faster at the same time. So basically it's 1 hour faster right now. So we're gonna put it on the, let's see, we're gonna stretch it. This is direct dough. Just to see the difference between dry yeast and fresh yeast. So there we go. Gonna make a 12 inches pizza. Make the one with fresh yeast. Of course, this one is also 6 hours. This one is also 6 hours. If you want to learn how to stretch, check out this video right here, up here. Gonna make it the same exactly time. So we're gonna make a classic margherita pizza. I don't know if you noticed from the video, but I noticed a little bit of color different. This one is a little bit yellow, this is a little bit white. This one here is the fresh yeast. This one right here is a dry yeast. Today we're gonna make a classic cheese pizza. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it. This way is, we remember that this one is fresh yeast. Gonna put a little bit of Parmesan cheese, finish it with the mozzarella cheese. Go. So let's put the first one in the oven. Then we're gonna get the second one, fresh yeast. And the dry yeast, boom, is ready. And also the fresh yeast, boom, is ready. Voila, guys, amazing. So boom, we're gonna finish it. Gonna put a little bit of basil. There we go. Little bit of olive oil, nice color, and voila. Okay guys, here you go, the pizzas. Please guys, this one deserves a thumbs up. Fresh yeast, remember, versus dry yeast. You can see the color already is different. A little bit, not too much, because probably this is because the cooking is but the texture is a little bit different. This is a little bit more soft, a little bit more soft. This is a little bit more crunchy. But let's go cut it and see in between. And let's go see inside. Gotta cut it randomly. One slice from here, and one slice from here. Both pizzas a little bit with a nice crust and puffy. Now it's time to see the inside of the pizza. Let's go see. Come closer, come closer. We're gonna show my friends here. There we go. This one is the dry yeast. Remember, dry yeast. Check it out. Oh, this one deserves a like, guys. Comment below. Comment below which one you use. You use dry yeast or fresh yeast? Comment right now. And then let's see the fresh yeast. Amazing. Even this one. Wow. Amazing. Fantastic, guys. I'm gonna taste it. Che ve lo dico a fare? The dry yeast is a little bit more soft because the timing that we give. It's good, but this one, it grows. So the difference for me that I see today here is that the dry yeast grows faster. Of course, we all know that the dry yeast is more strong than the fresh yeast. Nati, comment below which one you want to see next, or suggest, or if you have any suggestion of the dough. I'm going to speak a little bit in Italian for my friend in Italy. Amici, gli impasti sono tutti e due buonissimi. Ovviamente il lievito secco è che è uscito prima l'impasto, quindi un po' più morbido, perché ovviamente abbiamo fatto un diretto a 6 ore di lievitazione. Questo impasto è sempre buono, però la differenza è che questo qui è un po' più morbido e questo qui è un po' più croccante. Però spero che vi sia piaciuto il video, commentate sotto. Alla prossima vi farò vedere com'è la differenza tra il polish e la biga, gli impasti, le due differenze. Guys, at the next video, next week probably, I'm gonna show you the difference between the dough made with biga and the dough made with polish. Help me to get to 10,000 likes. Okay, I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and please, you guys, if you are in Los Angeles, come to visit me at Provami Pizzeria. Thank you so much and subscribe. Ciao a tutti dal maestro Vittorio Copelli. I'll see you at the next one.